Hello, this is Ashik and you're watching Technical Media. Today we'll talk about a very good topic, that is how you can make beautiful thumbnails for your YouTube channel with an app that's called Pixel Lab. This is a very good app. I'm using it myself for making my thumbnails, and we'll go through it today. It's showing me that last session, if I want to show you the last session, what I did, I have to press OK, and I'll show you that what I did last time. But we'll do another project and I'll open it again. Okay, now today I'll tell you how you can make beautiful thumbnails for your YouTube channel. What you have to do, first of all, these are the default backgrounds which you already have, or default you can say templates which you can use for your thumbnails. But we'll make another one with our own background, and we will see how we can do that. So let's get started. So what we have to do, we have to press this icon here showing the duplication here. Now after then we have to press, if we press image here, it will show different backgrounds which you can use for your thumbnail, but we will use some downloaded background which I have downloaded from a website, and that's free and doesn't have any copyright on those images. You can download a ton of images from that website and use them for your thumbnails. Let's get into it. So I will press from gallery. It will take me to the gallery. See, I have different backgrounds here. We'll use one of them. Let's take this one. Now you have to remember that for the thumbnails of YouTube, the ratio is 16:9, so you have to select this one. Okay, now what you have to do, simply press on that tick. Okay, you have got that background now. Now if you want to add your image, you don't have to add that image from here. It'll change your background because this is showing you the background sign. That's, you're using it for the background. Now if you want to add your image to this, now what you have to do, you have to click on the plus button here. After then, from gallery, you can take any of your pictures, like I'll take this one, and you can keep it there like this. Okay, you have to slightly adjust it so that you can make it there, nice and simple. Now you can write some text in this text box. What you have to do, you have to press on that alphabet A that's showing the text sign, and you have to press edit. Now what you can do here, you can edit the text, like we'll write beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I, beautiful thumbnail. Okay, so you can do it like this. Take this here. If you want to change the size of the font, you can go to size, but then you can decrease the size here. Okay, press on the tick mark here. After then, what you can do, if you want to change the text style, you have to go to the text style. You can go to the text style. Here it is. The other thing is, you can change the color of the text here. There are so many options available. You can use any kind of color, for example. Okay, so you have all options available here, and you can make a curve of this as well. I hope you can align the text. You have different alignments, as you can see them in your Word as well. So those are the alignments. Now you have prepared a very good beautiful thumbnail. Now what you can do after then, you can write any kind of text, whatever you want to write there. Okay, after then you have to export the image. What you have to click on those three dots, and after then what you have to do, export image. Now you can save it to the gallery. It's showing by the free app. It's a free app, but you have to watch those ads in order to get that thumbnail in your gallery. Okay, so we got that thumbnail in the gallery. You can check it there. There are other options available in the app as well. You can check them here, like you can use stickers, you can use shapes, and you can use, of course, photos from the gallery, whatever you want, and you can share it directly to your any social media. That link is also available there. So image size, this is one of the important features here as well. You have to check the image size for the YouTube thumbnails is 1280720 at 16:9, and you can use it for different. For example, if you want to use it for profile picture, you can use it as profile picture here, YouTube channel banner, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover art, or any kind of thing. You can use it there. Okay, so you're gonna press OK here. Now we have got that in our gallery. If you want to check that, you can check it once you will receive that thumbnail in the gallery. So this was all about how you can prepare beautiful thumbnails in Pixel Lab, and it's a very beautiful app, and I personally like it very much. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon as well. Thanks a lot. Thank you.